Eco Magic Art. Magic Hat. Let's see what we are drawing today. Wow! It's an Indian flag. Let's start the outline with a black color. Draw a curved line here. And another one here. Now, draw a pole on the left side of our flag. We need a base under the flag. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
We are almost done. It's coloring time. We will use orange color for the top. Indian flag is tricolor. It has orange, white, and green color. Green color for the bottom. Now we have to draw a wheel in the center. Draw a circle first. Then draw another circle in the middle. Now, draw some lines around this circle. Kids, are you enjoying?
Yes!
We are almost done. We will use brown color for the pole. Let's take a gray color for the base. Let's add some glitters. Orange glitter for the top. And green glitter for the bottom. Wow! This looks beautiful and shiny. Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time!